Students, in my previous video on health and nutrition, we discussed about balanced diet and its components in brief. Now in this video and in my subsequent videos, we will discuss about each nutrient in detail. Nutrients can be divided into two categories, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are those that the body needs in large amounts. These provide the body with energy, that is calories. Micronutrients are those nutrients that the body needs in smaller amounts. Macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and water. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals, and vitamins are further water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, C and folic acid. Then fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. Minerals are calcium, potassium, sodium, iron, zinc, etc. Then about water, do you know half to 3/4 of our body consists of water. Functions of water in our body are: water carries nutrients to our cells and carries waste from our body. Regulates body temperature, dissolves vitamins, minerals, amino acids and other nutrients, and also it lubricates the joints. It is recommended that 6 to 8 glasses of water each day is required for the body. In addition to around 4 cups of water we get from food each day. Now the macronutrients are needed in larger quantities in grams. They normally include water, carbohydrates, fat and proteins. Macronutrients except water are also called energy-giving nutrients. Energy is measured in calories and is essential for the body to grow, repair and develop new tissues, conduct nerve impulses and regulate life processes. First of all, we'll take up carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are required for energy and provide body's main source of energy, that is 4 calories per gram. They form the major part of stored food in the body for later use of energy and exist in 3 forms: sugar, starch and fiber. The brain works entirely on glucose alone. When in excess, it is stored in the liver as glycogen. Carbohydrates are also important for fat oxidation and can also be converted into protein. There are some examples of carbohydrates: grains, oats, fruits. Some fruits are there, popcorns, barley. Some berries are also there. Now the fats. Fats are used in making steroids and hormones and serve as solvents for hormones and fat-soluble vitamins. Fats have the highest calorie content and provide largest amount of energy when burnt. When measured by a calorimeter, fats provide about 9 calories per gram of fat, making them twice as energy rich than protein and carbohydrates. Extra fat is stored in adipose tissue and is burnt when the body has run out of carbohydrates. Here are some examples of fat-rich foods. Some seeds, avocado, some beans, and fish is also there. Nuts. Now the proteins. Proteins provide amino acids and make up most of the cell structure, including the cell membrane. They are the last to be used of all macronutrients. In cases of extreme starvation, the muscles in the body that are made up of proteins are used to provide energy. This is called muscle wasting. As for carbohydrates, proteins also provide 4 calories per gram. Here are some examples of proteins: peanut butter, spinach, milk, tuna fish, and some fruits also. Now in my next video, we will discuss about micronutrients in detail. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.